Okay, here's our Xbox. The experts say that we're supposed to wrap it up in a towel, keep it warm, and then put some weight on it. So this is what we tried. Wrap it up in a towel, make it nice and warm, and then you're supposed to leave that for like 15 minutes or so, and then put some weight on it. Stand on it a little bit to straighten the motherboard out so all the solder seals itself back up again. But that didn't work. We're going to put a little bit more heat on it and then a little bit more weight. Just to get it nice and warm. Should be enough heat. We'll just give that a few minutes, let the motherboard straighten itself back up. Well, everything we've tried so far didn't work, so I'm going to give it a few hits now to try and knock all the components just back into line. No, that's no good. That'll solve the problem forever. Cheers, Microsoft.